Just begun rushing. We've just taken our first question. We've just shown them the trailer. They've loved it. उन्होंने बोल दिया hit है. I think we'll start with Rashmi on why did you take up Palak? You know, what made you take up the show? We'll start with that. So honestly speaking, so you all have seen me playing different character on the television and the parda that we talk about, the that it's very small and we call it a television, yes. But then as an actor, when you grow, you have your own dreams and all. तो मुझे नहीं पता था ये एक दिन मुझे अपनी कहानी बता रही थी that I'm working on so and so project and one day I will be part of it. So it was very sudden. And when I read the script, the entire script is from the husband's point of view, and this script is very good, I will say, because एक तो पहली बात इसमें कुछ लोगों ने अपनी ही theory लगाई है, plus people are relating it to the actual तंदूर कांड that had happened in 1996, and जब मुझे भी पता चला तो मैंने भी पढ़ा, then I had my own knowledge about it, but there is nothing like that. Yes, it is, the story is something somewhat like that, but it's not the actual Tandoor Khan. We have just picked up a topic. Secondly, Palak, Palak was very interesting for me because as an actor, when you play, you only concentrate on your character. But then this time, for the first time, I have realized that the script is more important. The entire the entire web in this, every episode is so important. Every role, every character, every person. जैसे वो साहिल हो गया, पलक हो गया, and the best friend Ayaz हो गया. So they all are leading from one to another, and that is the reason I actually chose. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसे लगा कि इनका भी डेब्यू है तो मेरा तो अच्छा हो ही जाएगा for sure.
Honestly, you know, I've heard many actors who I even look up to, and they've often said that you know, like somehow the character comes home with you and stays with you, and you know, like sometimes it haunts them for a lot of time to come. Luckily for me, I didn't face any problem. In fact, even while we were shooting and stuff, you know, one may assume that on a project like that, the general vibe on set would just be very serious. But at some point after a show releases, I will put out some behind the scenes footage, and you will be like, guys, you'll actually had a blast making this, you know. So I feel if you get along with all the people you work with and the vibe is good, and you also understand like whatever you need to do is between action and cut, and uske baad you can have a good time, then it doesn't really affect you. Also, the thing is, I know that whatever I'm portraying is the character, and these are not my actions or my words in any capacity, right? As an actor, I'm a vessel. I'm just portraying what's on paper. So you shouldn't take it too seriously. I mean, at the end of the day, we're just a bunch of people wearing makeup and acting in front of the camera. So yeah. So
I honestly, for me, very important is the script and the director. Rest of the thing is not. I'm not saying it's not important, but for me, what is more important and for me to take a decision becomes more easy and convenient is the script. अगर आपकी script ही अच्छी नहीं है तो फिर वो मतलब नहीं बनता है. And director, because only the one person who can tell you what exactly is the story and execution and everything. उसके बाद एक्टर्स इट्स लाइक अ कॉम्प्लीमेंट. अगर बहुत अच्छे मिल गए जैसे तनुज जी जैसे में जाते हैं तो बहुत अच्छा है. यू डोंट हैव एनी प्रॉब्लम, ही इज लाइक अ प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर. तो आपका काम और इजी हो जाता है. एंड या एक्चुअली I will not say more about why I have chosen this. Yes, of course, आपने बहुत सारे अनुमान already इतने सारे लगा चुके हैं लोग. It is a murder mystery thriller. At the end, husband accept भी करते हैं. But more important, how did all these things happen? And about Palak, she's absolutely fearless. She's independent. She's ambitious. And if I see in 90s, that was my childhood. My mother, मेरी mom तो teacher थी, उसके बावजूद उनको इतनी freedom नहीं होती थी. And if I see the Palak at that time, then I think I should say that कि वो perfect ideal बन सकती थी अगर उन्हें मौका मिलता तो. But destiny has some other plans, so she left. या मुझे ज़्यादातर नर्वसनेस ऑनेस्टली किरदार निभाते वक्त डेफिनेटली होती है. आप एक्चुअली अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ में बहुत अलग होते हो और जब आप ऑन सेट जाते हो यू डोंट नो हाउ मच कोऑपरेशन यू आर गोना गेट. आपको कितनी सपोर्ट की ज़रूरत है वो आप जानते हो. बट मेरे हिस्से में हमेशा मुझे टीम बहुत अच्छी मिलती है. आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद अ गुड एक्टर. Even the best friend who played Ayaz, Amit, his name is, he was also very good actor. And more important, कहीं भी कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं करना पड़ा. एडजस्टमेंट अरे नहीं है ये वो पॉसिबल इफ बट नहीं होता. टीवी में और ओटीटी में फ़र्क सिर्फ इतना ही है कि आप हर एक फ्रेम को बहुत क्लोज में देखते हो टीवी में, बट ओटीटी में यू कैन सी द प्रॉपर पिक्चर एंड यू कनेक्ट विद इट प्रॉपरली. दैट्स द ओनली डिफरेंस एंड इट्स मोर ब्यूटिफुल. एंड द बेस्ट इज आपके पास टाइम होता है तो आप परफॉर्म भी अगर करना चाहते हो, आप रिक्वेस्ट भी करो, तो एवरीबडी विल सपोर्ट यू एट दैट मोमेंट.
See, Tandoor was a project that we wanted our image to be, because ज़्यादातर ये सोचा जाता है कि अगर उल्लू है तो ये सिर्फ एजी कंटेंट ही बनाते होंगे. But what we wanted with Tandoor was that, we wanted to show people that we have a lot of other good shows that are coming up. हमने इसमें जितनी भी पूरी टीम है उसको बहुत सिलेक्टिवली पिक करा था. We had really done a lot of research for, the actors we would want to cast, the director we would want to have on board. And the basic idea was that, once we have a good team, because this is a flagship show for us, and we wanted to actually change the perception that people think about Ullu. So with Tandoor, we have a lot of other shows which are coming with really good names, people from the industry. So for us, Tandoor, coming back to your question, Tandoor is something which जिसमें हम सबकी बहुत मेहनत लगी हुई है. हमारी बहुत सारी बहस भी है on a professional front, which is a healthy professional thing. But yes, we are really looking forward for this show. बहुत मेहनत करी है, चाहे वो चैनल हो गया, चाहे वो एक्टर्स हैं, आर्ट डायरेक्टर्स, आर प्रोड्यूसर्स, को प्रोड्यूसर्स, एवरीबडी हैज़ रियली वर्कड हार्ड एंड inshallah we'll have good results. That's what we are looking forward for. इनिशियली करना पड़ता था, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलूँगी, इनिशियली करना पड़ता था जहाँ से हमने शुरू किया था, बिकॉज all said and done, हमारा bread and butter was edgy content. We all know that we started from there, so I will not try to hide it. But हाँ, धीरे धीरे perception change हुआ. हमने बहुत अच्छे shows बनाए, बहुत सारे actors आए. हमने जो content भी लिया for requisition, that was also, जब हम बना बनाए content लेते हैं, उसमें भी बहुत से actors आए. जब हम नया content बना रहे थे, अब by God's grace ऐसा हो गया कि अब जब हम actors के पास जाते हैं तो उनको इतना हिच नहीं होता है करने में. इफ़ द स्टोरी इज़ नाइस, इफ़, और आजकल एक्टर्स का भी थोड़ा आई थिंक थॉट प्रोसेस इवॉल्व हो गया है, एंड दे ऑल्सो लुक फॉर गुड स्क्रिप्ट्स, गुड जहाँ पे उनका कैलिबर और उठ के बाहर आता है. सो प्लेटफॉर्म्स, आई अग्री, पहले वॉज अ इनिशियल प्रॉब्लम, बट नाउ we really have really good names which I would not want to disclose right now, but yes, now we don't face any kind of problem wherein for actors or anybody else we are good, we are in a good space, thankfully.